Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I am coming up with a new tutorial on modeling a prop in 3DsMax for beginners. So I am creating this tutorial on viewers request. So let's get started. So I'll just open up a reference over here. So simultaneously our other tutorials will also continue with it. So we won't hold any of the tutorials. So So this is for beginners on viewers request. I'm creating this tutorial. So let's take a box. Slightly I'll just push this up. I'll go into this and convert to editable poly. Select these two edges and let's give two connects. Go into the vertices and slightly just push this up. So we can just push this up over here slightly in this way. After that, so what I can do over here is or else I can just select this and I'll slightly shuffle this down. So any of the things you can do whatever you like. So we can first of all shuffle this more over here, shuffle this more over here, then I'll just push this up. Now this looks much better. So select this polygons and slightly I can give a bit of inset over here and let's extrude it a bit in this way. The same way, let's give a bit of inset and let's extrude a bit over here. Select the vertices, slightly I'll just push it out over here. Let's take one swift loop over here. Let's take one swift loop over here. So select this polygons. Again I'll go into this and let's give two connects over here. So I'll slightly shuffle this till here. So select this polygons and let's give a bit of inset over here. Click OK. Now again I'll give a bit of inset by polygons and extrude it a bit inside in this way. So we can just extrude it inside if required. So let me just save this. So let's just take a box over here again. Push this up. Convert to. So I can slightly scale this. Convert to editable poly. Select these edges. And let's give a bit of chamfer. So we'll slightly add a chamfer, not much. And click OK. So I'll go over here, I'll rotate it, I'll go into this and I'll set it as local over here. I'll slightly just push this up, again rotate it and make a copy of it. So you can just make a copy of it wherever it is required. So I'll slightly just, alright. So we can just rotate it. We can just rotate this individually. So you can rotate it more if required. So for that you can just push that out. Alright. So press shift and drag to make a copy of it. And again shift and drag. So you can just make a copy of it. So I'll just select this. And now what I can do over here is like again I'll go into this, I'll take a rectangle onto the top, so we can slightly rotate it. So convert to editable spline. So select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet. And extrude it. Slightly just push it down. Take again a cylinder. Go to the top view. And slightly I'll push it up. So convert to editable poly. Again let's insert this, slightly bevel it. Press shift and drag. I'll again copy it. Again take a swift loop. So let's just take a swift loop and I'll slightly scale this and let's make it straight. Again use a swift loop very close to it, scale it. So go to the top view, let's take a line. So let's go into this and I'll just create something, select the vertices and slightly give a bit of fillet to it. So add a fillet and increase this thickness over here slightly, push this up over here and so now convert to editable poly. Let's go to the top view and let's add a connect over here at both the sides. Select this polygon, extrude it by local normal, that's it, and click OK. let's duplicate this if required. Can do that. Can just scale it more and just scale it more. So let's put one swift loop over here, one over here, and select this polygons and slightly extrude it a bit inside over here. And now again take a box, let's activate this auto grid over here, convert to poly, slightly scale this, so let's go to the top view, let's again take a line, so I'll off this enable in viewport over here, drag it till here, so go into this, enable in viewport, make it rectangular and reduce the size of it. Make it very less. Alright. So again I'll select this, shift and drag, again I'll duplicate it. Push it at the center. Okay. So we can create some knobs also over here if required. So you can just take a cylinder over here, convert to poly. So let's select this edges and let's give a bit of chamfer. Click OK. So that can be done. So you can just push this, make the copies if required, wherever. So again just drag this down. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So few things are left which will be covering it up in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.